Hello and welcome to another update video about Cardano. So yesterday I showed you here this move down that I'm expecting, working our way into the green target range here, which is the projection target for this wave 3. So I don't have too much time, so if you're interested in more detail and the wider outlook, take a look at my previous ADA video from yesterday. But here, what we're doing from the high here, where I expected this wave E to be finished, I am looking here at an impulse to the downside. We've nearly reached the target here, between 43.5 cents and 42.7. And I showed you the descending trend line. I made the video here yesterday. We had a pullback to a trend line, which is always a good trade setup, or can be at least, so a valid trend line that was. So that pullback worked out in terms of finding resistance at this and then moving further down, making a lower low. Finding support actually at the support line I had put on the chart here at 45.2, which is another support level I mentioned to you yesterday. I mean, we briefly dropped below it all the way to 44.8, but found support in the end. So the 1 hour didn't close below this level. Now, I think due to that pullback yesterday, which was quite strong, we have to look at this from a subdivision point of view. So obviously I'm looking here at a 1, a 2, and a 3 down, but you can count here in itself 5 waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, this is the only way how you can basically count 5 waves. I mean, no, you can't really count this. And also this would all be in line with the projection target for a wave 3, because we always need to see a good indication what a wave 3 is. It is usually the longest one, it's the strongest one, and it usually reaches the 1.618 extension. And here this one reached the 2.618 extension nearly. That was fine. But we're still waiting for the 1.618 extension to be reached here in white. Therefore, as we can count 5 waves complete, but we haven't reached the 1.618 extension target, we have to count this here as a larger wave 1. Yeah, so I'm gonna label this itself as a wave 1, which would mean that now or very soon, we don't have evidence for that yet, but very soon I'd be looking here for a wave 2 pullback. So the same way that I gave you a price target for this wave 2, I'll give you a price target for the smaller wave degree wave 2. Here, this one reached the area between the 50% and the 61.8% Fib retracement. So now we need to formulate a target, assuming that wave 1 there was finished. We draw the Fib retracements. So from here, and that would be the area sort of between, I mean, the 38.2 is possible as well. Just need to make you aware, 46.2 cents. But we can formulate a target here around 46.7 and 47.1. It would be an ideal target now for this wave 2. Assuming wave 1 is finished here. Assuming we're pulling back now in wave 2. Okay. But again, we don't have evidence yet that wave 1 is complete. Best evidence for that we would get, in my opinion, the good thing is we've got this trend line here now. Best evidence would be if we break above the trend line. So if we do that, I think then it's very likely we're going to see this level. Makes sense, would be in line with this previous swing high, which is probably providing resistance, so 46.7. From there we could then start to carry on moving further down, and probably this wave 3 target needs to be moved down in the end if we already have quite a long wave 1 here. Which makes sense, because just by adhering just to the normal extensions, we're probably not in this white wave move, in this white 5 wave move down, we're probably not going to get below 38.5 cents, which we need to do in this last wave to the downside. So yeah, it's a quick update here about ADA. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership and make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.